So now you have a disruption, which will actually come anyway. Industry 4.0 is going to do this to us anyway. This COVID thing is only accelerating it, and hence it's a bit of a distraction from what was the problem. The real fundamental problem is that we don't have a fundamental economy based on knowledge. We have an economy based on commodities. So what is the impact on the country? Severe, absolutely severe. This government has to learn how to become the government of a country that after the Second World War did not have natural resources. And in the manufacturing of aircraft, we are single source for many things. That means we are the only producer of that part for Airbus in the world. And these are not small parts, they're big parts, right? Like on a wing, it could be the whole front of the wing, right? So if you go down to Subang, for example, in Spirit Aerosystems, you'll see sections of aircraft, not just little parts. You'll see whole sections of aircraft being put together. And with many of these parts, the only place they are made are in Malaysia, right? To be assembled in the US, to be assembled in Europe, right? To become a full aircraft. So when Malaysia stops, the world supply chain stops. The point of the crisis is that we have to take ownership of our own decisions now. Yeah, there are a lot of benchmarks we could say, right? And as far as us being part of the supply chain, we should be saying, okay, we cannot break the supply chain. How can we be the ones that break the supply chain, right? So we should be keeping pace. Yeah? By the same token, if we really own our position in the supply chain, say, okay, here's where the shit is going to hit the fan, right? Let's come up with something even more compelling so that when it turns around, we are going to be the ones that are going to benefit from it, right? That's the stand we should take, and maybe no other country is doing that.